Hey boys and girls, I'm here with what will probably be our last unboxing video for the school year. So this is the end of my order from before Christmas. So it's kind of a surprise because it's been a while. So let's get this unboxed. There we go. Oh, as always, there's a whole bunch of paper in here. We don't need that, do we? Huh, there's more paper in here. Feels like there's maybe a book in there. Oh my gosh. It just keeps going and going and going. It better be good, whatever's in here. Holy moly. Here we go. It just keeps going. Here we go. Oh, it's Investigators, class action. Yay, you all are really loving the Investigator series. So here's another one. Okay. Oh, so here is more of the order of the fighter jets and stuff. So this is FA-18EF Super Hornet. That's a really great series. I know that I have a couple of them in, and you all are checking them out like crazy. More of the cars that I ordered. Lamborghinis, or Lambos, as we call them now, right? Oh, Simone Biles, the gymnast. She is so great. This is going to be a good one. Can't wait to read this one. This one's called Spider in the Well. And this one came highly recommended from a conference I went to. I've not read it yet, but I can't wait to read it. I wonder if it's creepy or it's funny. I don't know. These illustrations on the back look kind of fun. Oh, it says, a hilarious modern fable. Can't wait to read it. Oh, chicka chicka boom boom, but not chicka chicka boom boom. It's chicka chicka ho ho ho. That'll be great for next Christmas or anytime really. How technology works, from monster trucks to Mars rovers. Oh wow. Technology is such a big thing right now. That's going to be really great. Let's see if we can hear the crack. Ready? Oh yeah, that was a big crack. This is going to have some really good stuff in it. Can you see it? Factories. Ooh. Okay, this one goes this direction. Planetary rovers. That's really great. I can't wait to look through that one more. Oh, Aaron Becker. I love wordless picture books, and Aaron Becker is like the best. This is called The Last Zookeeper. Remember, sometimes we just read using the pictures, not just the words. So wordless picture books, we read a whole story with no words, and those are so fun to read because everybody creates a different story with it. Love this. Two Together by Brandon Wenzel. Now, Brandon Wenzel had a poster in our book fair recently. He's such a great illustrator and author. He also wrote They All Saw a Cat, which we do have here in the library. So, I don't know about this one yet. I'm so excited. You think there's a crack in here? Let's see. Just a little one. But let's look inside for a sec. I love his illustrations. They're always so fun and busy, and there's lots to look at. Can't wait to read this one. Okay, what else do we have? Ooh, more fighter jets. This is F-35 Lightning II. Very cool. Oh, another one, the F-22 Raptor. What's this? Aaron Judge. Baseball. Let's see what this has on here. Ooh. There was a crack there. I don't know if you heard it, but I did. I'm liking this new series of sports superstars. Looks like he played for the Yankees. Who else? I don't know. That'll be fun. Can't wait to read that one. Oh, deer. We have a lot of kids in our school who are deer hunters, and I have been asked if we could get more books about deer. So here's another one. A couple more books in here, just two. Let's see, the V-22 spray. Osprey. Sorry, that was an O. Sometimes words are hard. And the last one in here, Bad Guys by Aaron Blabby. This is Bad Guys in Let the Games Begin. This is book number 17. All right, boys and girls, so we have some good books here, and I hope you enjoy them. I will do one more video of the books that I got from the book fair. I'll see you later. Bye, Bruins.